திருக்குறள் அதிகாரம் நாடு குறள் 736. தீராத பசித்துன்பம் விலக்கும் செருப்பகையும். அதிகாரம் நாடு குறள் 736. ஒரு பசியும் மோவாய்ப்பினையும் செருப்பகையும் சேராமல் இருப்பது நாடு. பொருள்: நீங்காத பசித்துன்பம் தீராத நோய்களும் மேல்வந்து தாக்கும் பகைவர்களும் வளமோடு வழங்குவதே நல்ல நாடாகும். மறுபடி ஒரு முறர் கூறல்: ஒரு பசி மோவாய்ப்பினையும் செருப்பகையும் சேராமல் இருப்பது நாடு. நன்றி.
News. International news. Justin Trudeau announces resignation as Canada's Prime Minister. Apple says it will update new artificial intelligence feature that has generated inaccurate news alerts on its latest iPhones. State news. Nearly 22,000 buses to be operated in Tamil Nadu for Pongal festival. Tamil Nadu Health Department says HMPV is old circulating virus as 2 cases emerge. Sports news. Manu Baker, Gukesh among 4 athletes to get Khel Ratna award. Jasprit Bumrah absence turned final day of test and series into an anti-climax. Politics. DMK to hold demonstrations against the governor on January 7th. Permission to leave India must be refused to foreigners whose presence is required to answer a criminal charge, says Supreme Court. Weather report. Temperature 23 degrees Celsius, feels like 25 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy, humidity 85 degrees Celsius. Have a nice day. Thank you.
வருகவே வணங்கியே வரவேற்போம், வருகவே செந்தமிழில் கவி பாடி உளமாற வரவேற்போம்.
வருகவே வருகவே வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன், வருகவே 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 வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன், வருகவே அழகு தமிழ் கொண்டு உம்மை வரவேற்றோம், இனிய முகம் கொண்டு உம்மை வரவேற்றோம், அழகு தமிழ் கொண்டு உம்மை வரவேற்றோம், இனிய முகம் கொண்டு உம்மை வரவேற்றோம், வருகவே வருகவே வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன், வருகவே 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 வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன், வருகவே ஜம் தக்கஜம் தக்கிட்டஜம் தீம் கிட்டதும் தீம் கிட்டதும் தீம் கிட்டதும் தொட்டு தொகை சேர்த்தெடுத்து செந்தமிழில் சொல்லெடுத்து 10 பாட்டு பாடி இங்கு வாழ்த்துவோம். சங்கத்தமிழ் பூங்காவிலே சந்தம் தரும் பூவெடுத்து கவிச்சாரம் சூட்டி உம்மை வணங்குவோம். 8 தொகை சேர்த்தெடுத்து செந்தமிழில் சொல்லெடுத்து 10 பாட்டு பாடி இங்கு வாழ்த்துவோம். சங்கத்தமிழ் பூங்காவிலே சந்தம் தரும் பூவெடுத்து கவிச்சாரம் சூட்டி உம்மை வணங்குவோம். அவையோரே வாழியவென்று சபையேறி வாழ்த்திட வந்தோம். சாலி தனிதா பதா பாம பமகதம பசலி தனிதா பம பமகரி. வருகவே வருகவே வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன், வருகவே 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 வணங்கி பாடுகின்றேன், வருகவே.
Here we have Arvind to tell us about the significance of the day.
January 7th is celebrated as Victory Day in Cambodia. On this day in 1979, the Vietnamese army and Cambodian resistance forces overthrew Khmer Rouge region led by Pol Pot. On this day, the Hawaii became the 50th state of United States, which this event is more related to the Hawaii's political history. On January 7th, the countries which follow the Julian calendar, such as Russia, Ukraine, Serbia, on this day they celebrated as Christmas Day. Thank you.
Asia is the largest of the 7 continents, covering over 17 million square miles, almost 2 times the size of North America. It takes about 30% of the land on Earth. It is so large, it's separated into 6 areas: Northern, Central, Eastern, Western, Southern, and Southeast Asia. Most people live in Eastern, Southern, and Southeast Asia. This continent is bordered by the Ural Mountains to the west, the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Pacific Ocean to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south. It is also home to the highest point on earth, Mount Everest. Situated in the Tibetan region of the Himalayan mountains, many people come from all over the world each year to try to hike to its peak. The continent of Asia is also home to the lowest point of land, the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is in between the countries of Israel and Jordan. There is so much natural salt in the Dead Sea that a person can float in it. The longest river in Asia is the Yangtze River. It is the 3rd largest river in the world, but it is the longest river flowing through a single country, China. Asia is home to the largest lake, the Caspian Sea. Its coastline is shared by 5 countries. It is also one of the deepest lakes in the world with a depth of 3,300 feet.
Another famous landmark in Asia is the Gobi Desert. It is a cold desert located in parts of Mongolia and China. It is the driest place in Asia and is the 5th largest desert in the world. Many dinosaur fossils have been found in this desert. It was here that the first dinosaur eggs were discovered. But Asia isn't just known for its incredible landmarks. Some of the world's major resources can be found in Asia. These are things like minerals, tin, coal, aluminium, gold, iron ore, and oil. Several oil-producing nations like Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia, which is the world's largest oil producers, are found in Asia.
Because of the large size, Asia is a diverse country, rich in its races, cultures, and languages. Many of the world's major religions originated in Asia, including Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Geographically diverse as well, it includes 8 different climate types: deciduous forest, coniferous forest, alpine mountain, rainforest, desert, tundra, grassland, and savanna. Because these areas are very different, the continent of Asia grows a wide variety of plant life, including grasses, shrubs, cacti, pine, fir, spruce trees, and mosses, as well as jungles of thick, wet forest. These 8 different climate types are home to a variety of animals. Reindeer, foxes, and wolves are found in the tundra region. Camels and lizards live in the desert. Bears are found in coniferous forest, and the mountainous region of China is home to the giant panda. Other animals include snow leopards, polar bears, Komodo dragons, and Asian elephants.
Now let's take a closer look at some of the countries found in Asia. 2 of the most populated countries in the world, China and India, help add Asia's population over 4 billion people, which is about 60% of the world's population. In other words, 6 out of 10 every people live on Earth in Asia. China has the largest number of people living in a country. The capital of China is Beijing. Some of China's famous sites include the Great Wall of China, 3 pagodas, Longi terraces, Hanging Monastery, and the Forbidden City. India is one-third the size of United States, but is the second largest population in the world, 1.3 billion people. The capital of India is New Delhi. The Taj Mahal and the Ganges River are both found in India. The Taj Mahal and the Ganges River are both found in India. It is also where Mahatma Gandhi was born. The smallest country in Asia is the Maldives. The Maldives consist of 1,192 coral islands located in the Indian Ocean. They are famous for the white sandy beaches and clear blue waters. It is a popular tourist destination. Do these images want you to go there? Another country in Asia is Japan. Japan is about the same size as California. However, 3 times as many people live in Japan. The people in Japan live very close together. Here are some cool sights you could see if you visit Japan. Mount Fuji, the Dotonbori district, Tokyo Skytree, the Great Buddha of Kamakura.
There are many other countries in Asia as well. People from different races, cultures, and languages live in Asia. Some places are home to very wealthy people, while other places are filled with poverty and people who are very poor. Asia is an extremely large and diverse continent with a long, interesting history. With its population over 4 billion people and its resources and attractions, Asia will continue to be an important focus and resource for many countries throughout the world.
Which countries would you want to visit in Asia? Could anyone come up to the stage and say why?
I would visit Japan since it has high technological developments. I would definitely visit one of the technological games and stuff in Japan.
A performance will now take us through some of the traditional dances Vietnam and China, representing the vibrancy and creativity of rhythm and movement.
Nhau ngồi môi hôn là vòng tay yêu thương ôm mãi không rời, từng phút sẽ tuyệt vời yêu là ngày em bên anh không chút yêu phiền, từng buồn lo trôi qua ngày bình yên, nồng nàn ta trao nhau giây phút tuyệt vời, nguyện thề luôn bên nhau mãi dù thời gian trôi qua vẫn luôn bên người, dù ngày tháng phôi pha ta vẫn không cách rời, bên nhau suốt đời cùng xây giấc mơ chung đôi. Hãy bên em thật gần nhé anh, 呀幸呀幸福来，幸福来呀幸福来呀，大地放光彩，迎春花咱们大伙儿栽。